Got some of that bacon up down in there. And getting it all melted down. Get it all heated up, getting ready to cook them pork steaks today, guys. Look at here. Y'all, this here is about $7.50 worth of pork steaks. Big, pretty pork steaks. Bought them at Cane's. And anyway, guys, pork steaks and gravy today here on Southern Boys Outdoors. Simple, easy, cheap meal to cook. Don't get no better than that. So we're going in there with them pork steaks. Ooh, listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that, huh? Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, we just gonna drop them down in there. Here we go. We're gonna hit them pork steaks with a little of that Southern Boys love. Ooh, look at that color going. Look at that flavor right there. And you know I like that black pepper. Gotta hit it with that black pepper. And hey, y'all keep in mind, we're making our gravy in there. So all the seasoning that goes in that pot will also be used to season your gravy. Now, see, we're gonna go ahead and get them pork steaks out of there. Look at that, already got one of them out. Check that out right there. Looking good, smelling good already. We'll drop another one down in there. Another couple of them drop down in there like that. That pork steaks right there. Looking good, smelling good already. Oh, man, don't that look so yummy right there? So we're going in there with 1 pound of that Guidry's Holy Trinity. Right there. Get that all mixed in there. All that stuff down on that bottom, we want all that to come loose right there, Mama T. We want all that to get in the gravy. Look at that. Look at there, Mama T. See how all that's coming loose right there? See all that stuff coming, look how clean that bottom's starting to get. We picking up all that flavor down on that bottom, getting it all cooked down in them onions right there. This is the base of our gravy right here, y'all. This is the base of the whole meal right here. This is it right here. This is where all the flavor comes from. We're going in there, we're gonna hit it with a 1/2 cup of flour. That's 1/4 cup right there. Reach in there, grab us another one. 1/2 cup of flour right there. Got it on my shirt a little bit. Now we're just gonna get that flour mixed in there. I know a lot of y'all don't like making gravy with flour, but hey, I'm gonna tell you something. It's gonna be good right here. This is the base of it right here. This is the roux right here, y'all. We're gonna start hitting it with a little bit of beef broth. Just add a little beef broth in there, like that. We add a little bit at a time. And just keep working that in. Keep working it in like that. Look how pretty that's looking right there, Mama T. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna come in there, we're gonna hit it with that brown sugar water. Ooh, what do you know about that brown sugar water? Get that brown sugar water in there like that. Oh, man. That's gonna add a little color to it and a little flavor to it right there. We gotta hit it with a little Worcester sauce. Give me a little Worcester sour in there. Give it a little bit more of that flavor right there. This is gonna make a total of 6 cups of beef broth in there. Plastic spoon of garlic in there. That minced garlic, get it in there. Rinse that off of there like that. Got that garlic in there now. And all I'm doing, y'all, I'm just pushing. I'm waiting on it to heat up, and it'll start tightening back up a little bit too, y'all. That gravy's starting to boil right there, starting to thicken up even more. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in there with the steaks. We're gonna go right in there with them steaks like this. The steaks, we're just gonna go ahead and pull them apart a little bit, drop them down in there. Looks good, smells good already, boy. All right, Mama T, we got them pork steaks all down in there. Look at that. Oh, man, looks so good. Hey, y'all, what we're going to do now, we're just going to lid it up, and we're just going to turn that fire down on about medium right there. We're going to lid it up and let it just simmer cook. Let it cook apart. Let them pork steaks just come apart in there. Boy, I'm telling you right now, y'all, going to be some good stuff right here. Simple, easy pork steaks, like $7. Don't get no cheaper than that right there. And this is enough to feed the whole family plus the neighbors. Big B, here we go right here. Check this out. Ooh, my goodness, does that look good or what? Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Y'all remember I pulled it off the bone a little bit, but look at that. It's just falling off the bone. You know that's gonna be some kind of good. I gotta fix me a plate, y'all. I gotta fix me a plate. Look at here, look at here, look at here. All right, let's go into old Wagnerware right here. Get us out some of them mashed taters right there. Drop them on a plate. Get a little hole mashed in them like that. You know I like mashing a hole in them like that. Get over here, got the holes in this spoon here. Get in here, grab us up some of that corn right here. Oh, get it all shaken off right there. Throw that corn down right there. Now watch this, y'all. Here we go, here we go. Here we go right here. I'm gonna get down in there and get us some of that steak. Get down in there, look at that. Look at that, look at that. I'm gonna drop it right there on top of them mashed potatoes just like that. Oh, I know. I got to get that piece right there, B. I got to get that piece because your mama's gonna want it. Get that right there. Look at that. Just look at that, y'all. Look at that plate. Look at that right there. Holy smoke, would you? Hey, y'all, this here, I mean, these pork steaks didn't cost but like $7. Mashed potatoes and corn, y'all, this here is a very, very cheap family meal. And let's go in there for a little taste. Let's go in there for a little taste. Cut them pork chops. Look at that. Cut them. Look how easy that's cutting, y'all. I know it's going to be hot. Y'all don't laugh at me if I burn my mouth. God, I'm telling you. Look at that. Look at that mashed potatoes right there. Get a little of that corn up on it like that. Get it down in that gravy. Look at that. Don't need ketchup to eat this right here, y'all. I'm telling you now. Look at that, baby. Show them that again. Look, look. Oh, look. Plastic fork. Right there. Look at that plastic fork. Cutting it with a plastic fork. Going up. Hey, buy you some pork steaks. Cook it just like that. Very tasty, easy to cook. Very cheap, affordable, and the family will love it, I promise you.